Sure.
So we gotta go in there.
Go where?
Straight ahead.
You see that?
What?
Right there.
Where?
Look.
Oh, shit.
There's two things. There's one on the right and the left. You see it?
Yeah, let's go.
What the fuck are you?
Oh, yeah. It's a bunny rabbit, bro. We just heard another screech from the same spot we just went over. We're about to go check it out because we're trying to find out if it's the moss. Bro, am I getting a text message? No, I'm not. But Starbucks is having a fetch a drink on Love Your Pet Day. Anyways,